away from the wall.
'Twas the nightmare before Christmas had gone through the house. Not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stockings, all hung by the chimney with care, when opened that morning, would cause such a scare. The children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads. Please remain seated in your black Christmas sleigh. We will continue your holiday tour momentarily.
On the 5th day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave to me 5 lucky charms to understand the right from wrong. 4 wheels of fortune to spin their rich and golden song. 3 lifelines extending help to those in need.
Are you ready to resume your visit? We will continue our holiday tour in no time at all.
First day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave to me a star, a brilliant star for my fortune card tree. On the 13th day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave to me
With some things, some
rings of
you
power, embracing
Why, even a gingerbread house could seem scary. All at once, happy hopes dematerialize like a nightmarish bed by brilliant eyes. hung on his leg. Strange, bizarre.
Welcome to my Christmas delight. Look, Zero, they like our Christmas.
This is gonna be the wheel now. Yes, stop. And stay for you. Now,